shukrani sana our AD and my very good friend, members of the clergy, and all our leaders today this morning. First, beginning with our church leadership, I want to appreciate the good welcome that our church warden has given us. We also had a good conversation this morning with our chairman. We spoke with our area dean, also, who is also our vicar. And we feel welcome in this church. I want to appreciate Mheshimiwa Mwaura. Thank you very much for kutualika pia and joining with us. All other members of the county assembly who are with us this morning. Members of our church, God is good. Another time, tusalimiane kwa salamu zake Mwenyezi Mungu. I would just want to take a very short time because our area dean, I acknowledge that we have taken time this morning. We are having other congregants waiting to join, and so I will be very brief so that the other members can come in. Yesterday evening, I placed a call to my friend and good friend, our area dean. I also conversed with some of the church members here and our Mheshimiwa. And I said that today is the day that the Lord has made. Because you all know that I was here the last time, quite some while back. And when I was here, we were worshiping in that old church. And I then had anticipation. I had intention to run for governor. That time, our presiding vicar then was again our area dean, the last one, our very, very good friend, Reverend Titus. We spoke. I asked for your support as a church. I left. I believed and trusted you. Went all over the county seeking the vote to be elected as governor. And in my absence, you kept the faith and you kept the promise. And you did what you had to do, and you voted me the governor of Kiambu County. And so, in my mind, I have been carrying the debt that I have to come back here personally and convey in person my gratitude to this congregation, to the people of Dendero, that you stood with me alongside all the other elected leaders, including my very good friend Mwaura here. And so this morning, woke up very early and asked my entire family to join me this morning so that we as a family can come and say together, thank you very much. And with me this morning is my wife, Mama Ambo. You can stand up and come here. And my three children, Emily, come here. Kimani, Elvin, come here. Getau, quickly. The church is moving. All right. So these are my children. This is my wife, my entire family. We said this morning, tutakuja tuseme pamoja ya kwamba tunawashukuru sana wakati tunamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu ya kwamba when we needed your support, you stood with us and you stood with me and you gave me the opportunity to serve. And so, as the entire family, we don't forget, and I say this many times, even in the absence of my wife, in the absence of my children, I repeat it all over again, that when I sit with them, I remind them continuously that the blessings that have been bestowed upon their father and her husband to be the governor and the leader of this county is through and by the people of this county and yourselves here, the people of Dendero. I want to convey that appreciation on their behalf. Sisi wote tunasema asanteni, hatutazungumza sisi wote. This is my firstborn. Her name is Emily Wamboi, named after my mother, my late mother. So she is also the love of my life here, you know, as far as, because I equate her to my mother. She is a student right now at Strathmore University, doing her third year now, going to her third year now. Emily. This other guy here is my second born. He's called Kimani Elvin. He is in Alliance High School, a candidate this year. This gentleman, in the school where he goes, his name is Getau. In the school where he goes, we also thank God for him. He was among the top 3 students in the school. And he has been admitted also to Alliance High School. So, you know, he's as bright as his father. And of course, I thank God because all my children have performed very well. All our children, sorry. They are brilliant children. They've performed very well. We thank God for the gift of these children. Emily did very well. He did very well. He was among the top 4 students also when he did his exams, and he's done very well. And so